it's Lucy and
Reese, and we're going to be making a Rubik's Cube cake.
yeah, and this is our Rubik's Cube that we will be copying from, and so...
And we already have one cake in the oven because,
And it is the red velvet cake mix. You don't have to use all these cake mixes
because we have all different kinds, like red velvet, vanilla, and party rainbow chip. But you can use one if you want.
Yeah. So the Rubik's Cube cake is going to be matched up like this. So each layer will be red velvet, vanilla, or party cake mix. And right now, we are putting together the vanilla cake mix. So let's get started. So our first cake has gotten out of the oven, and once it cools down a little, we're going to put frosting on it and then put black fondant on. And our second cake is baking in the oven, our vanilla cake. And we have our third cake right here. And now we're gonna crack the eggs into the bowl.
This is what we've done so far. We put the black fondant on our cake and we did our colored squares. And now we're going to be showing you how we made this so far.
So this is how the black fondant started. And we just rolled it and kneaded it till it was spread out. And you don't want to put flour down because that would make it all weird. But what you want to do is put powdered sugar down. And when you put it on the cake and it's all white from the powdered sugar, then just brush it off. And so, yeah. Now that we have rolled out our fondant and put frosting on our cake to act as glue for the fondant to go on, and now we're just going to pick it up and place it right on our cake.
We have to put more on this side.
Yeah. Oops. And now press it down. Down on the top too. It's okay if it's kind of dry. So right now we are squishing our fondant, white fondant, to get the right colors on the Rubik's Cube. And just squish it till it's soft.
And the colors that we have for our food are white, it's green, blue, yellow, and red. And we're going to mix the yellow and red together to make orange. We have oil on our hands so the food coloring won't get on our hands.
Yeah,
so
and we put drops of food coloring on our white fondant to get the right color. And I put blue on mine because I wanted to make a blue color right here. And she put yellow and red on her white fondant to make the orange color. Now we're just gonna squish it
Keep going.
My hand.
Yours is so blue.
Yours is so orange.
Oh, it's kind of reddish.
Sticky.
I know, very sticky.
So just mix it up as well as you can, and then
We made our colors, and these are what they look like. And the colors are pink, green, white, blue, and yellow. These are going to be our squares for the Rubik's Cube cake. Now I'm going to show you guys how to cut the squares and put them on the layers. So,
and you will also need water here to glue the squares that you cut out onto the cake. And now I'm just going to wet it down with the water and place it on the top. Pat it down so it sticks really well. Now she is creating another square.
ta-da! This is our cake. For an 8-year-old, this is a really good cake. Wow!